Hello, this is Dr. Tom Gerard, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Data Analysis Toolpak to your Excel. And so here we'll see that we're in Excel, and this is the Home ribbon. Up at the top there's a button that says Data. Click on that. I'm going to move my screen across all over here, and there's a thing on the list that says Data Analysis. If you see that on yours, you may be already set up, but we're going to go through on how to put that in there. You may open your Excel and not see this on the Data tab. So we're going to go to File and Options and Add-ins. And you'll see here it says Data Analysis Toolpak is up here that's active. You may not have it here. It may be down at the bottom. But it says Excel Add-ins. We're going to hit Go. It brings up this little box. And there's two here. I checked both, but either one should be okay. So we're going to add Analysis Toolpak to our Excel. And hit OK. And now, if you check, or you may have to shut down your Excel and start back up again, but we're going to be doing much of the statistical calculations in Excel because it's much easier than SPSS or even the scientific calculators. Now you can try this, you can look, and you'll see that if we click this, we'll see that there's the ability to do the descriptive statistics, there's correlation, there's t-tests. We're going to be doing quite a few of these in this course. And so by doing it in Excel makes it easy for you because you may be already familiar with Excel. If not, we're going to go through it, and so I'm going to help you with that. So thank you.